All right, what do we got here? We have the Milwaukee FUEL brushless M18 20-inch battery saw with 2 forged 8-amp batteries, fully charged. We did put a SUGI HARA light bar and a Husqvarna 550 X-CUT chain on it, which bolts right up, no changing anything. Let's see which one cuts faster, the Milwaukee M18 or the tried and true. This is a 2020 year 572, all original except for the West Coast dogs and the SUGI HARA 24-inch bar with a full skip chain on it. Let's try to watch the timer on the clock, I guess. Alright, now the M18, I'm going to put it on the high setting for this, since we're going for speed. Ready, set. It's through, it just pitched. So probably 7-8 month old wood laying there.